Obioma, is that you? No. Obioma doesn't smile. Obioma. Who is there? Who is there? Talk to me. Who is there? Who are you? Please, if you have come to steal or hurt me, please don't. Boy.
Miss Summer. Miss Summer.
Is that your voice?
Yes. What happened to you?
My dream.
What happened to your sight?
Get out.
Hey! Okay, calm down.
Get out!
Just calm down.
Out!
Calm down. Just
out.
Listen, calm down.
I don't want to hear it!
I know. Look, I understand how you feel about me, but please, just hear me out. Okay, please.
Get out!
Please, just hear me out. Please, please, I beg you. Please, just hear me. Can you just hear me out, please? Please, please, please just...
Out! Get out!
What is it? Why are you on the ground? I heard voices. Did you fight with anybody? What happened? Why are you on the floor? Did landlord come? What is it? Your body is hot. Your body is hot. Have you taken your medicine? Say something.
What is it? Get your hands off me.
Sir,
do I know you?
Mother, please.
Why would you do this? What is really going on in this country? Why would you run up to me like this? Do I know you? Is it just not inappropriate for you guys to do things like this? Stop begging for arms on the street. Get something to do.
Obioma.
Yes, Mom. Come, let's eat. Mommy. Ah. Mommy. Open your mouth.
Thank you, my doctor.
You're welcome, Mommy.
Please, what?
Okay. Mommy, are you okay? Okay. Mommy.
Oh, babe, you're home. I didn't hear you come in.
Hello, baby.
How was your day? Are you okay? Why are you quiet? Anyway, let me fix your meal, alright? I'll be right back. Alright, baby? Babe, your food is ready. Would you want to eat now or would you want to take a shower first? Babe, did you hear me? Honey, baby, what's going on? What's the matter? You've been sitting there and staring into thin air since you got in. I speak to you, you don't respond. And now I've offered you your meal, but still no response. What's going on? What's the matter?
It's nothing, I'll be fine.
Nothing. Okay, we have an appointment with the doctor this evening. I was hoping that by now you would have finished eating, or maybe you eat quickly so that we can head out. Right? It's almost time.
I'm sorry, but I cannot go to the doctor's. I can't make it for the appointment today. I'm sorry.
What do you mean? I don't understand. We are supposed to see the doctor together.
Yeah, I know about him. I'm sorry.
You're sorry? What? Wait. Let me get this straight. Am I alone in this? Am I the only one who's worried, sick about our situation? I've been killing myself over this. But there you are, you're so unbothered. We're supposed to see the doctor together. We made this plan together. So why did you suddenly change your mind?
You're supposed to blow your top over this, all right? See the doctor, all right? Let's see what the test result says. And then let's hear what his advice is, and then we'll just go from there. So you just come back and give me feedback. That's all. I'm not in that headspace to go there today.
Wow. Really? Okay, so what happens to the emotional support we're supposed to give to each other?
Yeah.
Should the result come out bad?
Well, that is why I said, get the result and tell me what the result says. Do you understand? You give me feedback.
Patrick, we are in this together. You will not leave me alone in it, all right? So please, just stand and let us go. You came in here looking all acting strange. What is this? Patrick, if we don't make this appointment, come back here. If we don't make this appointment, the doctor will not take us seriously any longer, okay? So please, let's just stick to the plan and see the doctor, hear him read out our results and know what our next step is. Please, can we just do that?
I'm sorry, I cannot.
Patrick, we are in this together. We are both contributing factors to our predicament. You will not shift the responsibility to me alone. It will not happen. I will not let it happen. What is this? Why are you not bothered by our situation, Patrick? Patrick, please. Please, let's just go, okay? Okay? Patrick! No, you will not work out with me. Patrick! I said... Patrick!
So where is your husband?
He couldn't make it, unforeseen circumstances.
That's okay. Here are the results. You guys are okay. There's nothing wrong with both of you.
Thank you,
guys
sir.
are healthy.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Here is my professional advice. Make sure you eat healthy. I'll recommend more of, fruits and vegetables. As a woman, you have to keep track of your fertile window. You have a better chance when you do so. Okay?
Okay, sir.
That will be all for now. Say me word to your husband when you get home.
Thank you, sir. Thank
It's
you.
all right.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
sir.
Yeah.
Hey. Why don't you join me? Let's cuddle each other. Sleep. Okay?
No, I'm not.
Babe, what is wrong? You've been like this for some time now.
There's nothing wrong.
How can you say there's nothing wrong? There's definitely something. Just talk to me, okay?
I don't know what it is. I'm just restless in my heart. You know, it's probably nothing, just mood change maybe, but I'll be fine.
Okay. So, do you want to talk about it? It will help lighten up your mood.
There's nothing to talk about. What are you doing?
Maybe this will help.
Do not help. Stop. I'm not in the mood, so this is not the right time for this. Stop.
What else do we need? The night is cool. The bed is cozy. Babe.
I am not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Stop it now.
But you don't have an option. I told you what the doctor said.
What did the doctor say?
Patrick. Patrick, this is not about being in the mood or not. It's not about our selfish interest. We have to continue to try until we achieve our goal.
You know what?
Patrick! Where are you going to?
To find rest and peace.
Patrick! What? You're not in the mood? Are you a woman? Are you a woman? I see your period. What's all this mood swing for crying out loud? What nonsense?
Obioma,
Ma?
are you set to go?
Yes, almost, mommy. I'm almost done.
Please, do fast, eh?
Okay.
Sell everything before the sun comes up.
Okay, mommy. Yes, mommy. I promise I will sell everything so that I'll buy food for us to eat this evening and even in the morning.
I know you will, my dear. I know. You know?
It's okay, mommy. I'm done.
Okay.
Mommy,
Huh?
promise me you'll be okay, right?
I'll be fine, my dear.
Okay. Let me just put the... Don't worry, mommy. I'll sell everything.
Go well, eh?
Thank you, mommy. Bye-bye. I'll be back.
Okay, bye-bye.
This one is sweeter than the other
I did it very, very well. I brought the ones that are very, very sweet.
Yes, you try.
Thank you,
Oh,
sir.
yeah, give me 800 naira one.
Okay. Orange.
Yes, orange and the
Tangerine.
tangerine.
Okay.
Put inside the nylon.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, put inside the nylon.
4.
No, put another one.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Hey, Jesus. Let me carry this. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good afternoon, ma.
I'm sorry. Yeah?
Okay. Thank you, ma. Hey,
No, you
okay.
can cook it.
Eh?
How you selling it? I need
Okay, this one is 200. This one is 300. How much?
Just give me 1,000.
Okay.
No, give me. Don't you have nylon?
No, I don't have nylon.
Okay.
Thank you. Mommy.
Hmm.
Food is ready. Food is ready.
Well, what did you make?
It's jollof rice.
That's nice.
Yeah. Eat. Mommy, eat.
You eat. You cooked now. Eat. I'll eat later. Eh?
Mommy, why? What is it? Mommy, are you running temperature again? And the chemist must have closed by now.
I will be fine. Eh?
Mommy, please, eat. Tomorrow I'll buy your medicine. Please. Do it for me, please, Mommy. Mommy, please. Thank you, Mommy.
The food is nice.
Thank you, Mommy. Please.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Do you like it, Mommy? Sorry, Mommy. Good. Hi. Mom, I'm so sorry. I promise I'll wake up tomorrow morning and get you your drugs. I'll find money to get you your drugs, okay? You'll be fine, mommy. Sorry, mommy, you'll be fine. Please, just, please. What's what I do now? I'm sorry, I'll buy your drugs tomorrow. I'll buy it, please. Just...
Hey, what is happening? Hey.
Uncle.
Is it?
Uncle. Oh, sir, good morning, sir.
Yes, morning.
Sir, please, my mom is very sick. Please, can you just give me small money?
Your mom is sick?
Yes.
What are you always doing with money? What do you need money for?
Sir, please, my mom is sick. I just need a little bit
Is it every time that you need money? Every time you are in need of money? Eh? What are you doing with money? Look, I'm very busy. I don't have any money to give to you, please. I'm busy now.
Sir, please.
What are you doing? I'm busy. As you can see. Please, leave me. I'm busy. Please. Every time you are needing money.
Good afternoon, Auntie. Good morning, Auntie. Sorry, ma. Auntie, please, can you give me small money? I want...
This early morning. Are you not supposed to be in school? Why are you begging?
Ma, please, my mommy is very sick. I need to buy...
Wait. I don't understand. Oh, yeah, take. Take it now. Be going home. Go to school. Stop begging this early morning. Your mommy have sent you to start begging. Eh? Stop begging, no. Go to school.
Ma, please, my mom is very sick. Please, I need money to buy her drugs.
Where is your mom?
She's at home. She's really, really sick. I need the money, please.
Okay.
Obioma. Where is your mother?
She's inside.
She's inside. Yeah, Obioma. Yeah, Obioma.
Huh?
Who is that?
Mom, is the landlord again.
Hey, landlord. Landlord.
Wait. Where is my money? Where your house rent now? No bring that one, no. I know say you like to tell story. No bring that one. At least I don't try for you now. Which one be MMM? Go inside. Bring the money. Make me a dey go.
Oga landlord, please. Forgive us that we haven't paid that money. It's just that we don't have enough money to pay it, please.
Which one be you don't have enough money? How is that my business down? At least you people know say once your house rent don't expire, you need to pay. No kneel down. Oh. You don't start. No kneel down. Oh. No use that one. Kajo me. Oh. You know say once your house rent don't finish, you pay. This house me sef I inherit am. And I dey take chop. So what you gonna tell me?
Okay, landlord, please give us more time. We'll pay, please.
Make I give you more time. This more time where you dey talk. You know, say like, you don't reach like 3 weeks now. You are don't come disturb now. That time you say give me more time. That time give me more time. Now I don't come again now. You say give me more time. How many times you want make they give you? Make I die because of how much I want give me?
Please, give us extra 1 week. Let us save the money and pay you, please, sir.
Extra 1 week. You be mature, you dey hear your daughter now. She said extra 1 week. I think say you blind. No be say you deaf. See, if I come back, that extra 1 week where you talk, if I no see my money, I swear, my papa wey I inherit this house from, if you come from heaven, come down, say make I leave now. I no go leave now. I will collect that money. And if I no collect that money, now go pack out. Now go dey live under bridge. If I don't have myself don full, na dey craze. Other neighbors now go dey look, they go say, okay, landlord, na bad person, na they kneel down. If they born na well, make na no keep my money. Person no go collect money, chop.
Landlord, please, sorry, sir.
As na they live there now, other tenants go dey look, say, I be wicked person, abi? They go say, I go be wicked person. Pay 1 week, they born na well.
Obioma, you said 1 week.
Yes.
Where and how do you want to pay him in 1 week, Obioma?
Mommy, I will put in more effort. I will sell the drinks I used to sell so that I will save enough money.
But you know you cannot keep up to that time, Obioma.
Mommy, I can do it. God will help me. I can do it.
This girl needs to kill you. Why would you make that kind of promise to Oga landlord?
Mommy, we have to do it now so he could stop disturbing us.
Obioma, why are you even at home? Why are you home? Are you not supposed to be in school?
The headmistress sent me away because of my tuition fees.
Hey! Chimo!
She said I shouldn't come back unless I have the whole money.
So even your evening lesson, you cannot go.
Mommy,
God.
Mommy, it's okay. Mommy, it's okay. I have more time to save money so that we'll pay this man. And besides, I already know what they're teaching me there.
Hey! God! Chimo.
Stop. Don't you have a sense of timing? You can see that I'm busy. I'm working here. Stop it.
What do you mean you're working? Baby.
Linda, stop!
Baby, this is my fertile window. We have to make good use of it.
So what? Is this going to be the last fertile window you have in your life? Yes, I'm asking you.
You must be out of your mind. Patrick, you are out of your mind. For days now, all you've done is dish out attitudes at me. And you don't tell me what the problem is. We don't talk anymore. We don't make out. You just say there's no problem. And I'm supposed to believe that? Huh? You know what? At this point, I don't care what your issue is, but you must do. You must fulfill your responsibility.
What stupid? Get off me. What stupid responsibility? I have no responsibility tied to my neck. Especially not at the cost of my own peace of mind. I am working. All right? Next time.
You're doing this. You're doing this because you're not the one people jeer at, right? You're not the one people point at and say, look at that woman, the man she be.
Victim.
You're not the one people throw bullets at. I'm the one receiving the bullets. You're not the one people call barren. Because if you were, you would have buckled up to prove that you're not impotent.
I have nothing to prove to you. The results are there to speak for itself. I have nothing. The doctor says that you and I are fine. All we have to do is just keep faith and keep trying. And that's what we should do. We continue to try. And one day we're going to have a baby. So please give me a break.
So let's try now.
Give me a break. I'm working.
Let's try. going on? It's nothing like anything I've seen or witnessed before in my life. My husband has changed a lot.
Really? Wait, like, how so? I don't understand. What happened?
You know how Patrick is, right? He was caring. He was understanding. He was soft towards me. But now he's just reserved, cold into himself. And he gets angry at the slightest provocation. I don't understand it.
Wait. Have you guys talked about it?
Chini, I said I've asked and asked and asked and... Do you know what he tells me?
What?
I'm not in the mood. Like, Oga, are you a woman? Why are you having mood swings? I don't understand it.
Right.
Chini, something is wrong somewhere. I know. Something is wrong somewhere, but I just can't put a finger on it.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is I did wrong. What did I do wrong?
No,
He can just tell me.
No.
No.
Don't say you did anything wrong. You don't have to attribute it to yourself now. My dear, what I am saying is do not attribute your husband's bad behavior to yourself. What if he's seeing someone else? Or there could be more. Yes, anything is possible, my dear. Men will start misbehaving to their wives when they are, seeing someone else and, to even worsen it up. If they're even having any issues with their side chick, they will now throw the tantrum on you. It's not a joking matter.
Come on from that side.
You're laughing.
No, Patrick. Patrick is not a woman person. I've never had woman issues with him.
Oh, really? You don't say. Okay. My dear, you are saying Patrick is not a woman person. Let's say this infertility issue now that is, becoming very serious. Do you think that his family members are not mounting pressure on him? No, think about it. My dear, to me, I feel that Patrick is seeing someone else. Yes. See, as a friend, all I'm saying is, do not beat yourself about your husband's misbehavior. Take charge. Shine your eye, be strong. Don't be lamenting, my dear. My dear, you're seeing someone else, so... come on now.
You see, this is in this fertility issue. But the doctor said I'm okay. Why would Patrick do this?
Just be strong. Be strong. Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
You have a point. You have a point.
Sir, please. Sir, please. We don't have the money yet. We asked for 1 week. Please, sir, please give us more time, please.
Hey,
Obiama.
Yes, ma'am.
Is the landlord back again?
Yes, sir.
Landlord, please, sir. Just give us. We only have 1 week left. The money is almost complete. Please, sir, be cool.
See, Mama Obioma, you know why I dey laugh? Why are you begging me? I'm not here to throw your things out now. You people have already paid now.
Huh? No, sir. We are going to pay this weekend. We haven't paid yet.
Okay, maybe you don't understand. See, someone has paid for you. And the person paid your debt. You now pay another 1 year. Again.
No, No, Oga landlord, no. Nobody has paid for us. Nobody.
Uh-uh.
We not send anybody to pay for us. Please. Please, Oga landlord, please. Don't throw us out. I'm begging you. Please.
Okay, you know what? Because I dey pass now, you think say I come for now. No, the only thing wey me and I get now na receipt. See that useless Omoyibo, na here I come find. So no be you. The only thing wey me and I get now na just to take your receipt. That is all. You can enjoy.
What's
Yes,
your
now.
ma? What is that? What is that?
What's the receipt now?
It's a receipt though. It has a name on it. Receipt for rent.
Our name?
Yes.
This now.
Obiama.
Ma?
Tell me the truth. Did you pay that money without telling me? Tell me now. Oh. Tell me.
No, Mommy, you're the one with the money. I didn't do anything. I didn't pay anything.
Oga landlord.
Yes.
I bet no verse with me, but who paid? You know the person will pay. It tell you the name. I beg.
The person don't tell me anything. You just pay. So I no get wahala again now. You don't worry, do as na like, eh? Inemeka.
Obiama. Ma? You went to pay and you did not tell me. Eh?
Mommy, I didn't pay for anything. You have the money with you. I didn't pay for anything, Mommy. I'm confused.
No dinner, nothing to eat. What's going on?
Go back to your other woman and get food from her.
What does that even mean? What are you talking about?
You think I don't know? You think I haven't noticed?
That what?
That I've suddenly become invisible to you? That I no longer entice you? You think I can't make out it's all because you're seeing someone else?
Where did you get that from?
Just because I'm yet to conceive. You started pressing around because I'm yet to conceive. Well, the doctor said I am medically okay. Well, how will I conceive if you don't put a baby in there?
Okay, I don't know where you're getting all of this from. Who's feeding you with this nonsense? These are accusations you'll have to take back because there's no woman anywhere.
Please, feed those lies to the birds. I will not fall for them anymore. I'm no longer a fool.
Look.
I know you're seeing someone else and I demand to know who she is right now.
Get that out of your head. There is no woman anywhere. Okay?
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere until you tell me who she is and show me what she has that I don't have.
Look, if you want peace in this house, you are going to get out of my way so that I can go find something to eat.
Patrick, there is no need for peace. You sent peace away from our home the moment you started to go out there to look for what's not missing. Patrick! But you come back and meet me in this house. You will! You come back and meet me! You come back and meet me. Foolish man! You're very foolish! That's why I need to find a solution to our problems. You're adding to it. God will judge you! God will judge you! I said God will judge you, Patrick! You come back and meet me. Come back and meet me.
Who asked me to make a carry us now? Who asked me to carry us now? Last. What happened? Snap. Then I won't know we beat to you or wrong. Eh? Even when you no good self, I don't even carry for my game. You just want to spoil my ticket.
Oga landlord, good afternoon, sir.
What's happening?
Oga landlord, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Please, what do you want again? Shebi, I've given you your receipt. I hope say no be say you come here come beg for money. I don't get money.
No, Oga landlord, no. The person will pay for our rent. Please, Did he say anything about himself? Because I won't thank him. It's very important to say I thank him.
See, the person, you don't tell me about his name or anything. You just pay your house rent. And I didn't even ask address, so you don't tell me anything, you don't go. So what else?
Ogana, so he no even tell you anything about himself, like where we feel locate him, if he drop anything. I beg now. It's very important, I beg.
Yobi, between you and I, this one way they interested in knowing the person will pay your house rent. I hope say no be say na all go there, go dey pay for. Yes, now.
No. I won't just thank him, that's all. I won't see him thank him.
You know what? You know what you do? Instead of you, the fine person will pay for na house rent. No say na be debtors. Go your house.
Hey.
Go dey praise God. Say, thank God, oh, I don't see person help me pay my house rent, oh. That is enough. See, as I don't spoil my ticket, oh. I swear, and as I dey at the vest, but did they pepper me? So no, they bring this your wallet. I better come out there. Guy. Asna. Bonus. Big bonus. Big bonus. Just relax. I swear, I no go buy beer for am. Because you don't tell me
Shey, if you see the way that uncle take beat that boy that today, if you see blood dey rush for yam, well.
Please, can you speak English?
Just see, sir, say that time say they teach me English. No go ask your mama who your papa be. Rubbish.
Mom, please, can I ask you a question?
Obioma, don't go again asking me about your father,
But Mom,
please.
I want to know. Everybody I know has a father. Except for me. Even if their father is dead or not present, at least they know him. But we're just here. How come we don't have any family? Nobody? You're just blind. You're always falling sick. Nobody is even asking after us. Nobody even cares about us.
Obioma. Obioma.
Mom, I know you have told me I don't have a father thousands of times. But everybody has a father. You can't have a child without anyone. Mom, please, even if he's dead, tell me, let me know. At least tell me about his relatives so that people will stop calling me a bastard.
Obioma, why are you listening to people? Why? Look, see, that you don't have a father doesn't make you less of a human being.
Mom, you can't be telling me that. How can I not have a father? Tell me something.
Obioma.
Everybody I know has a father except for me.
And I still remember
Obioma. Obi.
moment I shattered your heart with my
Obioma. 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 Obioma, where are you, my daughter? Obioma. See, I know that you are disturbed with everything that is happening. I understand. Obioma. But please, Biko, I don't want the thoughts of you not having a father to wear you down. Biko, no. Obioma. Hi. Chai, Chimo. Obioma. Why do you want to kill me before my time? You are looking for a man that is not looking for you. A man that hated you before you were born. Obi, he does not even know that you exist. He doesn't care. He only thinks about himself. Obioma, why do you want to kill me? Obioma. Hi. Chimo. Chineke. Obioma. Obioma. Hey. Obioma. Why do you want to kill me? Yeah?
Mom, I'm sorry. Mom, I'm sorry. I was just overwhelmed.
You want to give me a heart attack, right? You want to see your mother die, right?
I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Stop looking for someone that is not looking for you. Eh? Biko no. It's okay, it's okay. My Obioma. My Asa.
Mommy. Mommy, I have accepted that you don't want to talk about my father or his people because he abandoned you. But what about your people? Don't you have any brothers or sisters, someone who can help us through all this suffering? Mom, we beg every day and people are beginning to insult us. We need to find your people so they can help us out.
Obioma.
Yes, Mom.
Obioma.
Yes, Mom.
Please, leave the past in the past. Trust me, the past is better left alone. Just keep enduring and believe in God. One day, things will turn around for good. And please, ignore everything that all those people are saying. Are you hearing me?
Yes, Mom. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you feel sad.
I know, but just leave the past in the past.
Okay, Mommy. I won't talk about it again. I'm sorry.
Obioma,
Ma.
you are a good child. God gave you to me. You are a gift. You are a blessing in my life. You wipe my tears away. You give mommy great joy. You deserve everything good in life. Everything. When that time comes, you enjoy.
Okay, Mommy. And I promise you, I'll buy you the most expensive cars, shoes, clothes, anything you want in this world.
I know. Obioma, water.
Sorry, Mommy.
Finish the food, eh? I'm fine.
Mommy, are you sure?
Yes. Obioma. Obioma, is that you? No. Obioma doesn't smell like that. Obioma. Who is there? Who is there? Talk to me. Who is there? Who are you? Please, if you have come to steal or hurt me, please don't. Why?
Miss Summer. Miss Summer.
Come on. Is that your voice?
Yes. What happened to you?
My dream.
What happened to your sight?
Get out.
Hey! Okay, calm down.
Get out!
Just calm down.
Out!
Calm down. Just
out.
Listen, calm down.
I don't want to hear it.
I know. Look, I understand how you feel about me, but please, just hear me out. Okay, please.
Get out!
Please, just hear me out. Please, please, I beg you. Please, just hear me. Can you just hear me out, please? Please, 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 just...
Out! I don't want to hear it. Get out!
Mommy, what is it? Why are you on the ground? I heard voices. Did you fight with anybody? What happened? Mommy, why are you on the floor? Did landlord come? Mommy, what is it? Stand up. Mommy, your body is hot. Mommy, your body is hot. Have you taken your medicine? Mommy, who was with you? Say something. Mommy.
Huh? Bobby.
Mommy, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure? Mommy, I'm ready to go for the day's business. Will you be okay?
I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Just when you go, be careful.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Mommy, you'll be okay, right?
I'll be fine.
All 5 phones.
Huh? What happened? What's this?
Where is she? Jesus. Mommy! 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 Mommy, wake up! Mommy! 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 Mommy, no! Mommy, wake up, it's me! Mommy! Mommy, it's me! It's okay, ma! Mommy! Mommy!
Hey. What is it?
Sir,
You're crying. What is it?
my mom is dying. I don't know what to do.
What do you mean your mom is dying?
My mom is dying. I don't know what to do. I told the chemist to give me drugs. He refused.
Get in the car.
Thank you, sir.
Obioma. Obioma.
Yes, Mom, I'm here.
Where am I?
We're in the hospital. You passed out.
Passed out. But why will you bring me to the hospital knowing that we cannot afford this?
Mom, it's okay. A man saw me going to the chemist, then he brought us here. He has already paid the hospital bills.
A man?
Yes, Mom.
How did you meet him?
He met me on the road. When I asked who he was, he said he's just a stranger trying to help. Is there any problem, Mom?
No problem.
Okay.
But we'll need to thank this man.
Yeah, he said he has work to do, so he's going to come see us later.
Okay.
Mom, you need to rest now. The doctor said you need rest, so you need to go back to sleep, okay? Just go back to sleep. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry too much. Mommy, you need to have all the rest you can get. Remember what the doctor said, okay? Let's go inside. Mommy, open your mouth. Mommy, please open your mouth and eat. Mommy, this time around, you need to eat enough food. Because you have many drugs to take in. And the doctor said you need to eat enough to take in these drugs. I was very scared when you passed out. Thank God for that good Samaritan. Mommy, open your mouth. Thank God for that good Samaritan that rescued us. Now I'm very happy that you are fine. Please be eating well. You can get another water from inside. Mommy. Sorry. Mommy, good morning. Mommy, I'm already running late. I've selected your drugs for this morning. They're all in a cup. And I've already served your food. Is on this table. Here. I'm about to go, Mommy.
Go where?
I'm going to school.
School? How?
The Good Samaritan I told you about, he paid for my tuition.
Really?
Yes, Mommy. God bless that man.
Amen. He's really a good Samaritan.
Yes, Mommy. I'm running late. I have to go.
Okay. Go well, eh?
Okay, Mommy. I love you.
I
Remember
love
what I told you is on this copy.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
One step, one step. Yeah, gently. Look at it. Someone looking for you. Yes, sir.
Chukwumobi, what are you doing here?
I'm sorry. Look, don't chase me away like you did the other time. I need to talk.
So you're the good Samaritan, right? You're the good Samaritan that settled our hospital bills and also gave my daughter money for her tuition.
I was only trying to help.
Help?
Yes.
Did you say help? Where were you? Where were you when she was conceived? You left me. Where were you? When I lost my sight, where were you? Chukwumobi, you come here. You want to help. Get out!
Please, let me talk. Please, let me talk. I've been trying to get across to you. Let me talk. I was young. I was confused. I didn't know what to do. I was doing the best that I could at the time with the wisdom that I had. If I knew better, I would not have abandoned you. I'm sorry. Please. Please. Obioma is innocent. Do not allow my mistakes
Don't you ever say that to me. Don't you ever. She's my daughter.
I know. But would you let the mistakes of the past ruin the life of an innocent daughter? I'm here now. You need me. Let me help you. Let me into your lives. I beg you. Please. Let me help. Let me help. Please. That way, please.
Okay.
Yes. No, easy. Sorry.
Mommy. Sit, Mommy.
That's fine. You're welcome, okay? Please make yourselves comfortable.
Your house is very beautiful.
Thank you. And this is also your house now. Just so you know.
This is our house.
What exactly is going on here?
Good afternoon, Ma.
These are my family members on my mother's side. I was driving a few days ago and I saw them on the streets, you know. I was just wondering why they would be homeless. They're currently in an unfortunate situation, and I've not been able to live with myself since I saw them, given the fact that, I mean, they're family and then you and I live in the midst of plenty here. So I decided to bring them home so that they can live here with us until, you know, they are able to find their feet in life. That's why they're here.
Your family.
Oh, yes.
And you decided to bring them into this house without speaking with me first.
Why? Why would I need to consult you before I bring someone into my house? I built this house. This is my house. Did you forget? This is my house. Everything in this house belongs to me, and that includes you. You know, I understand how unsettling this can be for you. Okay? It's gonna take a while to accept them. I get it. But we can all live here. It's a big house. Big enough to accommodate all of us. You don't have to bump into these people if you don't have to bump into them. You get what I'm saying?
No, I don't. Patrick, these people will not stay in this house. Not under my watch.
Linda,
I hope they have alternative plans because this house is not an option.
stop saying what you're saying. You're being unrealistic. The house belongs to me. I get to decide who stays, and they will stay. And if you as much as try to make them uncomfortable, I'm going to throw you out of my house. Do you understand?
You will disrespect me because of these poor filthy things you picked up from the gutter. This riffraff and her smelly, stinking...
Chill, babe. Please don't hit anybody because of us. We'll just leave. We don't need to stay.
It's okay. I'll handle this. I'm not going to insult them like that ever again. Not on your life. Not on my watch.
Yes, sir. We can leave if she doesn't want us to stay.
I get to decide who stays here. You stay here. Do you understand me, young woman? Young woman, do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
You stay here. This is your new home. You make yourself comfortable. Grab that bag, let me show you your room.
No,
And I still remember the tears in your eyes. The moment I shattered your heart with my lies. I know that I let you down.
Mommy, this house is very beautiful. Like, I can't believe we'll be living in this kind of house.
See, even if I cannot see the beauty of this house, I can feel it.
So, Mommy, I remember when you told me that God remembers one day I end all our sufferings. Is it happening now?
You know, my sweetheart, God works in mysterious ways.
So, do you think that God brought that uncle to us? Mommy, are you sure that his wife won't start hating us? Because she didn't even want us to stay here.
It's too soon. Don't think like that. Eh? Okay. It's too soon to conclude. I'm sure with time.
Oh, let me sit down. This house is very pretty.
How big is the house?
It's very big. Like the room we're staying now, man. Hey, if you see, there's very big wardrobe there. See, there's mirror here, there's dressing mirror, everything. See the big bed we're lying down on. Not like the other one that will be suffering inside.
Wait, what? Wait, I don't... Your husband slaps you in front of some strangers?
Well, I don't think they're strangers, though. He said they're family from his mother's side. Apparently, they were stranded and he met them on the street or something. I don't know.
Even though that is not enough reason for your husband to slap you in front of them. That is the highest form of disrespect.
I don't understand what has come over Patrick. I can't wrap my head around it.
No, nothing has come over Patrick. There's nothing wrong with Patrick. He's just trying to be stupid. Man? Come on, who does that? You know what? you have to make the house unbearable for those animals. My dear, make the house a living hell for them, that they will use their own hands to pack their things and get out from your house.
Are you telling me? You
That
don't
is
know
it.
me. Trust me.
Come on,
I
girl.
am ready for that.
Very good. Very, very good. Because you cannot come somebody will not come and rip from where they did not sew. Who does that, please? Because you don't have your own child yet. So Patrick now want to, you now watch your husband to train another person's child?
I will not take that rubbish from them. It will not happen.
Good.
I'm already enjoying enough from Patrick. By the time I finish with them, yeah?
My girl.
They will regret ever stepping their feet into that house.
That's it, girl. Take charge of your home. Don't be weak. Shine your eye, like I said.
Me, weak.
Give them wuto, back to back. Show them pepper.
When I have you, I cannot be weak. My evil coach.
Shine your eye, yo.
Evil coach.
Don't take it lightly with them.
No, but man, that's slap. I saw stars.
My dear, no worry. Let me go and get something chilled for you.
Something hot.
Something hot.
Hot. We must not cool down. We cannot cool down. That slap, it was hot.
So what button is this? Let's go again.
Volume.
This what? Come on now. Don't fail me now.
Channel.
Fantastic. So you change the channel with this. Okay? And other buttons. That's for YouTube. That's what. You understand what I'm saying? I know you're a very smart girl. And you're going to remember everything that I taught you so that you can, just have fun. But most importantly, okay? I don't want you sitting very close to the TV. It's not good for your eyesight. Okay? You can just sit here. Let's try. Let's see. All right. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
All right, and just let your mom rest. So I'll see you when I return. Okay?
Okay, sir. Bye.
What? What do you think you're doing?
Auntie, good morning.
What did you think you were doing? Sitting on my couch. Staining it with your filthy skin. Listen, before they say I'm a wicked woman, comport yourself in this house. You and your mother, did you hear me? You were given a room, right? You were given a room, right?
Yes, ma.
Good. Now let me sound this as a note of warning. Extend it to your blind mother. I don't want to see you anywhere else in this house besides your room. Is that clear?
Yes.
I don't want to see you in this space. I don't want you in my kitchen. I don't want you anywhere else. Stay in that room. That's the only place you're allowed to be in. Now, out. Get out! Fast! Nonsense. God. Smelly. Look, my couch is now brown. This was white. Huh? Where are you?
Hello.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. What's with the very gloomy atmosphere.
No, there's nothing. There's nothing.
Positive?
Yes.
So how was today? Any troubles, any complaints?
No.
No, sir. We like your house.
Thank you for liking our house. There you go. I got you something.
Thank you, sir. It's food.
Thank you for the food.
You're welcome. I'd like for you to take this week and just relax and rest. Because next week will be a bit busy for all of us. Okay, we'll have to go to town and find Obioma new school. Yes. And Miss Summer, I've been speaking to some medical professionals. We're going to kickstart a treatment process for you. And let's see what our chances are and see if you can regain your sight. So all of that starts next week. So.
I'll be going to a new school?
Oh yes, my darling. You'll be going to a new school where your brilliance will be much appreciated.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you too.
Chukwudi, thank you. Yeah, Dalu, thank you so much.
Thank you too. Thank you.
And for the food too. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Chelsea.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Please wake up. I want to talk to you.
Talk, I'm listening.
Come on now. Let me talk to you.
Talk, I am listening.
Want to listen with your back to me? Wow. Look, I'm sorry, okay? There's a lot of tension right now because I know that a few things have changed around the house, especially with the guests. You know, you all just got off to a very rusty start, and that led to a lot of tension. I'm sorry I handled things the way I did. I am really, really sorry. But they are here. These people are like family to me. You're my wife. I'm appealing to you to please be nice. Just be nice. It doesn't take anything to really be nice. Okay? Please. It won't be fair that I brought them here and they're now being treated poorly in my own home. That's not nice.
You already put me in a position and I'm happy to be in that position.
What position? What are you talking about? The woman is blind. She clearly cannot compete with you over anything. And then the young girl just looks up to you like an aunt or a second mother. Just help her out. She's still not very comfortable around here. All I'm asking is that you help these people with their daily needs, like food, water, you know.
I have heard you. Noted, sir. Is there anything else I need to give them? My breasts for them to
Linda.
suck. I heard you loud and clear. Can I go back to sleep now?
Just help. Be nice.
Hey. Mommy, this kitchen is very beautiful. It's sparkling. So clean.
Obioma, See, let's just go. If you don't understand anything, please let's just leave.
No, Mommy, I understand. Uncle Patrick taught me how to use everything here. I understand how to do it. Don't worry, Mommy.
Be careful. Don't spoil anything.
See? The gas is already on. See, Mommy, it's already boiling.
What in God's name is going on here? What is happening?
Auntie, good day. We're trying to make something.
Who is your auntie? And what are you trying to make in my kitchen?
Oh, we want to prepare something for ourselves.
Shut up your filthy mouth. This I warn you to not come into my kitchen. I gave you a clear warning. Didn't I? What are you doing here? Excuse me. Just so that you don't say I'm wicked, take this thing, go and find somewhere to make it. Not in my kitchen. Don't you hear? Take your mommy out of this place right now.
Mommy, come. Let's go.
Leave. And don't you ever come back here again. I don't want to see you in my kitchen.
I shattered your heart with my life. I don't wanna let you down. I let you slip away. Now I'm left with words I never could say. Oh Lord, I was blind and I couldn't see. Damage I caused to you.
Mommy, why would she throw us out of the kitchen like that?
It's a house now. See, lower your voice. We don't want trouble. Besides, it's our house.
Do you think she'll like us later?
I don't know.
Mom, I think we should leave this house. I think we should go.
And go where? You know that the landlord has given our house out. So we'll have to make do here and stay.
Okay, but I don't like that auntie.
Shh. Don't say that. Look, cook the food and let's eat.
Okay, Mom.
What are you doing here? My goodness, my pebbles. This girl, you're really from the dungeon. What is wrong with you? You think these are ordinary stones?
Sorry, Ma.
Sorry for yourself. Look, wash these clothes. Did you hear me? Make them sparkling clean. Did you hear me?
Yes,
and pick up the stones.
Can I use the washing machine?
As what? I don't understand. Have you ever seen a washing machine before in your life? Before you came into this house? Washing machine? You think it's as easy as the way you say it? Do you know how to operate one? You want to go there and spoil my washing machine? You have hands. Use your hands. You have hands. Wash them.
Okay, Ma.
And pick those stones. Did you hear me?
Yes, Ma.
Obioma.
Yes, mommy, I'm here.
Obioma. I heard voices. Hope Auntie did not stress you.
Mommy, she gave me plenty clothes to wash. Big bedsheet, big pillowcase. Plenty clothes.
Don't worry. Let me join you and help you, eh?
No, mommy, it's okay. I can wash them.
Am I doing anything? Come. Lead the way. I'll help you. Hmm?
Okay, mommy. It's this way, mommy.
Eh?
I'm coming, mommy.
Okay.
How old are you? Huh? As grown as you are, you don't know how to clean the house. You don't know how to clean. I have to teach you everything. Are you stupid? What is it? What did the dog do to you? I said you're just pouring water everywhere. Please come dry up that place quickly. If I step on it and slip and fall. I know that's what you're wishing for me. Wicked girl. I know you want me to die, right? That's what you have in your heart for me. I know. It will not work for you and your mother. Bitches. And when you're done, you go into my bathroom. Clean up the floor. Don't touch my walls, please. I don't want your filthy hands to stain my white tiles. Then you brush the toilet bowl and the bathtub, the sink as well. What was that? Your mother did not teach you anything. Nothing. You just get to carry a burden and heaped on my head.
Come on, don't forget your seatbelt.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so it's a good thing that this new school is close to the house, right? So that way you can find your way.
Yes.
But you know I would have taken you if not that I have to take mommy to the hospital constantly so that she can regain her sight.
Oh, it's okay, sir. You've done too much already. Thank you, sir.
You're so understanding. Okay, so let's go.
What?
Auntie, I'm done. I want to quickly go and prepare for school.
Who says you're done? Who says you're done?
I'm done washing the plates.
You can only be done when I say you're done. Wash them.
Auntie, I'm going to be late for school. I have to go.
Who cares about your school? Is that more important to you than where you lay your head to rest? If you want to stay in this house, you do as I say. Wash these plates.
Ma, the plates are already clean. I have to go prepare for school or I'll be late.
Is something wrong with you? Is something wrong with you? How dare you correct me? If I say these plates are dirty, they are dirty. You're not more knowledgeable than I am. You're not older than me. Now listen to what I say. Wash these plates. Fast! Do you want me to slap you?
Who is there? Obioma. Obi. Why are you here? Eh? Are you supposed to be in school? What's the time? Why are you crying?
Mommy, is that auntie? She keeps wasting my time. She gives me plenty plates to wash. When I told her that I'll wash it when I come back from school, she slapped me.
Eh? My Come, man. Just come. Calm down. Calm down. Boy, you need to get ready now. Eh? You don't want to go late to school, do you? Eh? Everything will be fine. Obi, my heart, my love, yeah, come back. Stop crying, yeah? Come back.
Why did you pour water on my seat?
Ma?
Why did you pour water on my car seat?
Sorry, Ma.
What is sorry? Go and try it, fast! Skill, you're very stupid. Oh, wait, come here. How did you wash this? How did you wash this car? How did you wash this car? How did you wash this car? What is this? What is this? I said, what is this? What is this? Eh? Oh yeah. If you have to lick it, you lick it. Clean it. Come on, clean it. It means you not use water to wash this car, because if you use water to wash it, this thing would have gone off. I said, as I'm doing it, be acting on what I'm saying. Go on, I said, do what I am saying. Go on. Use water before I beat you with this water. Use water. You cannot use your brain. Use your brain when you get to school. Tell your teacher your brain is for decoration. Stupid girl.
Yes, Ma. You called.
What are you doing?
I'm still washing the dishes.
Get me a bottle of water.
Okay, ma.
My friend, go to the fridge and get me a cold bottle of water. Must I spell everything out to you?
Sorry, ma.
Stand there. Get out.
Who is that? Oh, my stick! Obioma. Obioma! Where's Obioma?
She's in hell.
God forbid. My child cannot be in hell. Please give me my stick.
Blind bat from a dungeon.
What's wrong? Why are you on the floor?
Oh, Mama.
What happened to you?
My stick. Please, where's my stick? She threw it away.
Why did you do that to my mother?
And what will you do? Riff-raff. What will you do?
Just find my stick.
Huh? Did I hear you? What did it say? No, repeat yourself.
Nothing, ma. Let's go back to the room.
My stick.
You don't have to be in this household. I don't have to be wicked to you at all. Just pack your things and leave. I won't come to your house and be wicked to you. Oh my God, that fall was sweet.
Mommy, that auntie doesn't like us. We need to tell Uncle Patrick before she injures you.
No. You will not tell him anything, okay?
Why not?
You know already that if you tell him anything, you put us more in trouble and you put her in trouble. Already you know that they are not even living well.
Mommy, look at what she did to you. Look at what she's doing to us.
Oh, Beam. See, just give it time, eh? Everything will be fine. Oh, Beam. Sure, you listen to your mother. I've heard you. Oh, babe. My baby. My heart. Come in.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, dear. Good evening. How are you?
Hi, sir.
Mesa. Hope you're fine. Okay. And you? How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
And how is school?
School is fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Is there something you would like to tell me about school?
No, sir.
You know you can tell me anything.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, there's nothing wrong with school.
Okay. It's just that your teacher called and told me that you have been showing up late to school.
No, sir.
And not only that, when you come to school sometimes you're not comfortable enough to sit in the classroom with your fellow students and you're just standing outside looking either through the door or through the window. And I just wonder why.
Oh. So I just prefer staying outside the class.
That's not a good thing. I want you to know that you're not going to learn much staying outside. But I also understand that it's a new school. I could also understand that sometimes you're intimidated by, your new classmates and a few other people in that classroom. But I want you to know that you're a special child. You are not supposed to allow any kind of intimidation overwhelm you.
Okay, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You are a special child, just like every other student in your classroom. You're all special in your own ways. Okay? So when you go to school, you keep your head up. Give the best of yourself to your fellow classmates and your teacher. So that at the end of the day, you can come out with very good grades.
Okay, sir.
I also want you to know that some of your classmates are also wanting to make friends with you, but you're staying away from them. You see? So you never know, what would happen and what kind of friends you make if you just go in and just be nice to everybody, and make friends and make yourself very comfortable. Because that's going to be your school for a while.
Okay, sir.
So I want you to conquer your fears. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
And if at any point you need to talk to me about how things are going, please feel free.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Miso, how are you feeling?
I'm fine.
I spoke with the doctor. He made me understand that you're going to be starting with your therapy next week.
Yeah.
If that's okay.
Okay.
That's fine, yeah?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I'll just be at the dining and I hope to see you guys later.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Social studies? That's your favorite subject. You must really like your teacher then.
Female.
Food is ready.
Oh, okay, that's nice. So we'll just go to the dining, all right? So come on.
No, your food is in the kitchen. Your food and your mommy's food. So take that to the room, right?
What? Why?
No, Obim.
we'll take our food to the room, okay?
Oh, no, that's all right. We're one big family.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
We are not.
We are, okay? I have decided that going forward, we'll just all sit at the dining and eat as one big family. That's how it should be.
Patrick, it is
Mercy.
either they go to the room or I take my food to my room.
Why are you like this? Why?
Make a pick.
Let's all go to the dining, okay? Help mommy up. Let's go to the dining. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the dining.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's eat in the room.
Let's go to the dining. Watch your step.
I won't join you. This bush girl. What did I tell you about pouring water all over the place whenever you're cleaning?
Auntie, I'm still going to dry it now.
Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? How dare you? Are you alright? I am speaking to you. Can't you do that? That's what you say. Sorry. That's all you know how to say.
What is it? What is going on?
Anytime I ask her to clean up the house, she just messes up everywhere.
Okay. What is it? Why are you holding your face? What is it?
She slapped me.
Did you slap her? Hey! I'm standing here. Move! Move! You slapped her. Why? Why?
When a child is naughty, you deal with her.
You keep quiet! Do you know how many things I'd rather you do well in this house that you don't know how to do? And I have not thrown you out of this house. And you hit her because she couldn't mop. She just got here. She'll get used to being here. If you just slow down and teach with love. But instead you choose to be violent. Listen to me. The next time you put your hand on her, not only will I slap you real hard, I'm going to throw you out of this house.
Because of this thing?
Oh yes, I will.
I have blind mother because of them.
You want to try me and see if I'll do that and even more?
They shouldn't test me.
You don't test me. And I even know. Drop that mop stick. Drop it! Let's go to your room. I'm terribly sorry about this situation. She had no right whatsoever to treat you like that. No right whatsoever. This is unacceptable. But please, I need your help. You need to help me. Whenever she does this, let me know. You have to speak up. I'm usually not around. So if you don't let me know, then I can't help. Please. You need to talk to me. Obioma, I'm counting on you to talk to me. I'm counting on both of you to let me know what exactly is going on. My first responsibility is to protect you. I'm with you. I am for you. There is no place for abuse of any kind in this family. I'm sorry. Okay, please. I'm really, really sorry. Okay? Please. I'm sorry.
Please.
Take it.
Ma, please.
Get out. What are you begging for?
Please, please.
I
Don't
said
do
out!
this to us, ma. Please, don't do this.
You two of you came into my family to put us apart. To end my marriage before it starts. It will not happen. You will not succeed. I said, get out. Pick your things.
Don't do this.
I said, go. 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 What are you doing here?
Oh, go.
I said,
Oh,
go.
go.
Take it back.
Love you, mom. Mom, please don't do this to us.
Get out.
Love you, mom.
Had enough of your bullshit. Oh. I don't care if you're family or not. I don't care. Just pick up your things and go. If I come back here and I see you loitering about in front of my house, I will pour hot water on you and make sure you forget your names.
Let me help you. Love you, mom. Right.
Careful. One step. No. Which one is this?
Linda. Where are my guests?
They left.
How? What do you mean they left? Why? They didn't tell me they were going to leave.
They said they didn't want to be here anymore, so they left.
What? This is strange. Well, they should have at least told me about it. Okay, where did they go?
How am I supposed to know that? You know where you got them from? Why are you asking me that? Where are you going? I'm about to serve your meal. Where are you going? I say this man has gone crazy over the foolish woman and her daughter. They bewitched him, Abi. He has to go for deliverance. I will deliver him myself. Nonsense. How witchcraft will shut it down.
Why? Why did you leave the house? I got back home and you two had left. Why?
Your wife threw our things outside. She said she will pour us hot water if we don't leave the house.
What, that happened?
The other day, she snatched my mom's walking stick from her and she fell down. She sends me on different errands and beats me. That's why I'm always late to school.
Misso, all this happened and you did not say a word?
Why will I say anything? So that your marriage would be torn apart? No, no.
Hi, this is not right.
Also,
Talk to me, what is it?
the landlord gave someone else our room, so we don't have any place to stay.
You have somewhere to stay. You have my house to stay. That's also your home. You know what, come get
Your wife doesn't want us in your house. Chukumbi.
I built that house with my money. Let's go. Please, walk with me, let's go. Watch your step, watch. Left foot first. That's it. Sit down, huh? What gives you the right to think that you can humiliate my friend?
Patrick, please.
I'm asking you. I go to work.
Patrick, you're hurting me! Let go of me! Patrick! You're humiliating me in front of this low life! In front of this low life! Patrick, no, I'm not going anywhere! I'm not going anywhere! I'm not going anywhere! No! You're humiliating me in front of this low life!
Don't make me hit you.
Patrick!
Make me hit you.
Patrick! No! I deserve better than you! Patrick! Oh my God, no! Patrick, I am your wife! Patrick! I'm not going anywhere! I'm not going anywhere! Patrick!
Jimmy. What's going on?
Patrick threw me out of the house.
You don't mean it. How come?
I'll tell you later. Let's just go inside first.
Wait. Where are you taking the bags to?
Inside now.
Relax. You can't come in, no.
I don't understand.
Linda, my boyfriend is inside and we don't want anybody that will come and be disturbing us.
I won't disturb you. I'll just stay in the other room.
No. Sorry, but you know, things are getting very serious between me and my boyfriend, and we even plan to get married. So, please, I don't want you to come and bring your bad luck. Oh.
Jimmy, why are you talking like this? You know I will never bring any harm to you. You are my family.
Oh, so we're family now. I did not know. No, when you got married, it made me feel like I was less of a human being, parading yourself around. Say, your husband, Odogu, a good man, your gifts from heaven. What happened now? Where's your gift from heaven? Your gift of heaven have done what? Thrown you out of your heaven.
Chini, I don't want talking. Is someone talking through you? And where is this coming from? We can't each other now. See, Chini, I don't have anywhere else to go. I can't go back to my parents' house. I just need to stay here till I work things out. Okay, let me just figure things out before I
can't house you in my little apartment, madam. I don't understand.
Hey! Wait, so, Chini, all those times you were backing me up.
Don't say that, please. Are you a child? No, me give you bad advice. Hey! No, if I tell you to put your head inside fire, will you put it?
Chini!
Yes, that is my name. Don't tell me that, please. I beg, take your bag and leave my house. Let me just leave my house, please. Have a good life.
Chini.
Let me go and meet my man. Not be only you, gay man.
Chini, see, oh, it's me. Chini, it's me. Chini.
Obioma, don't you think it's getting really late? I think it's time for bed. You're going to school tomorrow.
Fine. Good night, Mom.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night. I like her spirit. I know that going down memory lane is not something you would want to do. But please, I'd really like to know, to know your story, to know what happened.
Is that why you drove your wife away? Because you took pity on us?
Miss Am, I owe you a lot. I owe you my life. I hurt you really, really bad, and I'm not going to jeopardize an opportunity to make it up to you.
You don't owe me anything. And likewise, I don't owe you anything. So I don't owe you any explanations.
I want you to know that you're still special to me. Very special to me, so don't talk like that. You are special.
Special? Did you say special? And you abandoned me when I was 2 months pregnant. Yeah, I can see how special I was.
I was young, I was confused. I was just overwhelmed by the entire situation. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to look my parents in the eyes and tell them that I had gotten a young girl pregnant. We were young.
And so you left without informing me? You left town? The country?
I was young. I was really confused.
It sounds like an excuse.
I'm not making excuses. Sometimes I can be a coward. Sometimes I'm I'm unable to confront very ugly situations and I just run. I just run. And I'm sorry I ran away. I'm sorry. Please.
Sorry is not good enough. Chimobi, sorry is not good enough.
I know.
When you left, I was miserable. Knowing how much I love you, I didn't want to abort our baby. So I ran away from home. I had to struggle, take up all kinds of menial jobs in order to survive, to eat, to have a roof over my head. I saved the meaning to deliver our baby. When she was born, she was so beautiful. You know, she smiled. She looked just like you. And so I had to take up hawking on the streets just to feed her, myself, and put a roof over her head. I needed to provide the basic things in life for her. One day, I left to hawk, and then a car ran over me. And of course, the impact, I hit my head on the pavement, which caused concoction to me. And gradually, I lost my sight. I couldn't see my precious baby anymore. I couldn't do my new jobs anymore. We started begging from street to street for most help. Just me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You have really been through a lot. That's too much for one person to take. I'm sorry you had to go through all of that without me in the picture. I'm sorry. But you know, to believe me, I returned to this country and I looked everywhere for you. I looked everywhere for you. I searched for you. I couldn't find you.
Obioma. Obioma. Obim. Why is she? Obioma. Obioma.
Get away from me! Don't touch me! Get away from me! I don't want to see you! Get out! Get away from me! I don't want to see you! Get away from me! I don't want to see you!
Obioma. It's okay. Calm down. Why are you going to? Eh? Shh. Obioma. He's your father.
He's not my father.
Please. Please. I know how you feel. I understand. I understand how you feel. I didn't know you were eavesdropping.
When were you going to tell me, Mommy? I've asked this question my whole life. I've asked you so many times.
Sorry.
You were not going to tell me when? be my father, mommy. I don't want to hear this anymore.
Stop. I know he hurt you. He hurt us both. I was young. I was in love. I conceived you in my womb. My love. You're my life. Please. Forgive him. Please. Please. He wants to do right by us. Please. Opium. Opium, my world. My life.
I've cried tears. Still, your heart is hardened towards me. I don't know what more to say. I know that what happened was bad. There isn't much I can do about the past. But if you give me a chance to help, I make it up to you. I assure you that going forward will be blissful. Please. I know it's hard, but please try.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing can make up for the hardship I had to face and go through.
I know. There's no denying the fact that you went through a lot. But that's our past. I made a huge mistake. I never should have abandoned you. But I am here now. I'm here today. I want to be here tomorrow, and I want to be here forever. But I can't do that if you don't give me a chance. I want to make sure that you would never have to go through hardship again in your life. I beg you. Please.
Give me time. I might come around, but I need time, please.
It's okay, I'll take it. I'll give you time. Once again, I'm sorry.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Get out. I don't want to see you. Get out from here. Get out. You're not my father. Get out. I don't want to see you.
Please. I'm on my knees. I'm begging you to please listen to me. I'm your father.
You're not my father. Stop saying that. You can never be my father. Not now, not ever.
I know that you're hurt. But please.
Get out. Don't come close to me. Don't come close to me. Get out.
But please. Allow me. Give me a chance to make up.
You are not my father. I don't want to hear this anymore. You are not my father. Please get out. Get out from my room. Get out. I don't want to hear you. I don't want to see you. Get out from here,
Obim. Obim, my love. Please. Forgive your father. Please.
I beg you.
Please, I am begging you. Obim.
How can you forget? How can you forget everything, every bad thing he did to you?
I didn't forget. Obim. I didn't. He was young. He was naive.
He is irresponsible and careless.
Don't say that about your father. Don't. Obim, please. He wants to do right by us. Please.
How can you forget? How can you forget every damn thing, every bad thing he did to you in this life?
Obim. I didn't forget. Look. We wrong God, don't we? And he forgives us. Look, he was young. He was naive. He wants to do right by us. Please, Obim, please. Forgive your father. Please. Please, I'm begging you. Please, my lord.
Please, I beg you. To make up for lost years, I'm begging you. I have missed you. If you forgive me, I promise to be the best father in the world to you. I love you. You're my own, you're my blood. You mean everything to me. I'm going to provide for you. I'm going to love on you. I'm going to make myself available to you at all times, no matter the circumstance. Please, give me a chance to make up for lost years. Please, no matter the circumstance, I assure you I'll give the whole of me to you. Please forgive me. Linda, I want to thank you for coming here. I also want you to know that all that has happened is not your fault. It's just that my past came haunting me and knocked me out of track. And I lost control of my reality. Like I said before, this is not your fault. I'm not making excuses. But I guess that certain things are meant to be. As much as I feel that certain things are also written in the stars. And I guess that's why I met Miss Oma again. Seeing her again turned my life upside down. I saw her in a bad shape. I haven't seen her in almost 2 decades. You can imagine what that did to me. She was my first. And I'm just so sorry. I have not treated you fairly. And I'm sorry.
I hold nothing against you. But I'm done with this marriage.
I can understand that. It would be very selfish of me to ask you to continue to stay in this marriage under the current setup. Yeah. Are the divorce papers? No pressures at all. You can sign this at your convenience. And I'll just turn to a lawyer. I have also made out a check of 50 million. Not because I want to buy your forgiveness, but because I want to appreciate your maturity in all of this and compensate you. For whatever it's worth, you are an amazing woman. You're an amazing woman. And I'm going to miss you, Linda. Yes, I will.
Were you ever in love with me? Ever?
I just told you how amazing you are. Of course. I love you. And that is why I married you. But like I said, certain things are written in the stars. And I know that it is written in my destiny that I'm going to spend the rest of my days going forward with the Mesoma. Because we have a history. A history that I respect. A history that has produced a very beautiful daughter. She's growing very fast. She needs her daddy. I'm just trying to have all of us under one umbrella and as one big family. And I'm not going to force you into a polygamous setup. But you'll always be in my heart. And oh boy.
It's okay. I understand.
Please. Please. For old time's sake. Please. Thank you. Good night.
Still remember the tears in your eyes. The moment I
Dad, do you think Mom will be okay?
Oh yes, I'm positive she'll be fine. Doctor says she'll be fine after the surgery. She would need to spend a few more days here in the hospital to heal. After which she'll begin to regain her sight, slowly but surely.
Are you sure about that?
I'm sure. But trusting God still, you know.
Okay. I think we should pray for Mom. Let's pray for her. In Jesus' name.
But now I'm here, and I swear I won't make those mistakes again. For the pain that I caused, for every moment we lost. Don't tell me
I'm so happy for this new beginning. And of course, what the future holds for us.
I'm even more excited. Thankful that you have given us a second chance. You look so beautiful. Life has given me a second chance with you, Miss Summer. And I am going to make very good use of it. I am going to love you because you deserve it. You look so beautiful. So beautiful.
And you look dashing. Handsome.
You know, this feels like old times. 19 years ago, the first time I saw you at that rail station. My heart stopped. Miss Summer.
Chuku.
Choosing to be with you is a choice that I'll make over and over again. It's never a mistake. Like I told you before, this was written in the stars.
Our destiny is aligned.
I love you much more, baby. I'm happy you can see me, so that you can see all that I am going to do with you. You have your sight back. But you see how grown our daughter is. And how beautiful she is.
Just like you.
Thank you for cooperating with the doctors. It's going to be a beautiful chapter. I assure you. It's never too late to start all over again.
Yeah.
Never too late.
Yeah.